Welcome, please come join us today as we try the Vietnamese pancakes, aka Banh Xeo đặc biệt, at mien restaurants in Bankstown, located at 324 Chapel Street, Bankstown, New South Wales, Sydney. Vietnamese pancakes, aka Banh Xeo, at mien restaurant was very thin, lightly crispy, filled with onions, pork, prawns, octopus, and bean sprout. Delicious and yummy.
Bánh xèo. Wow. Wow, it's crispy, very crispy bánh xèo. Giòn không?
Very crispy. So the portion of the meat is perfect, but not a lot, not less, so it's perfect.
You
know what? 10 out of 10.
Thanks up.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh no, that's lettuce.
Okay.
One? Okay.
Let your mom do something.
Alright. Yeah.
Yep.
Nào. Rồi bánh xèo
Oh,
pha
the
đã.
vegetable.
Để coi. Nè. Rồi. Nè.
Ah, yes.
Alright.
Look how crispy it is. Yep.
Rồi có tôm nè. Bean sprout.
It's got octopus.
Octopus too. And cut meat.
Yep.
Very yummy, huh?
Yep.
So you can put that, and you can just put in a bowl, or you put in a roll,
Yep. Yep.
and you can roll it up
Yep.
and eat it all up.
Yep.
So you can do it this way, do that, alright, and you can do a little bit of lettuce, do all that in there, and get a spoon, fish sauce. Drizzle. There you go. And try it out. Okay. Oh, Isabel. Okay. Now try it up. Okay.
Yummy. What do you rate it?
Very crispy though.
What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Okay, cool.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me
Okay, dip.
Yep.
There you go. Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please click subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you. See you again. Bye-bye. Bye.